Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that can give you a head start in your crypto journey. The Bitget Referral Code. If you're a new user or a beginner, this guide is perfect for you. We'll cover everything from how to create an account, sign up, and claim your bonuses. So, let's get started. First off, what is Bitget? Bitget is a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform known for its user-friendly interface and wide range of trading options. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Bitget offers tools and features that cater to all levels. From spot trading to futures trading and even copy trading, Bitget has it all. Now, why should new users choose Bitget? One of the main reasons is the great bonuses for new users. By signing up with the Bitget Referral Code, you can unlock exclusive rewards that can enhance your trading experience. These bonuses can come in the form of trading fee discounts, bonus credits, and other promotional offers that are only available to new users. Let's move on to how you can sign up on Bitget and claim these bonuses. The process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Here's a step-by-step Bitget tutorial for beginners. 1. Visit the Bitget website. Go to the Bitget website or download the Bitget app from your preferred app store. 2. Click on Sign Up. Look for the Sign Up button on the homepage and click on it. 3. Enter your details. Fill in your email address, create a password, and enter the Bitget referral code in the designated field. 4. Verify your email. Check your email for a verification link from Bitget. Click on the link to verify your email address. 5. Complete your profile. Fill in any additional required information to complete your profile. 6. Claim your bonus. Once your account is set up, you can claim your exclusive sign-up rewards. To make sure you don't miss out on any bonuses, here's a detailed guide on how to use the Bitget referral code. Sign up with the code. As mentioned, enter the referral code during the sign-up process. Check for bonuses. After completing your registration, head to the Promotions or Bonuses section on the Bitget platform to see what rewards you've unlocked. Meet the requirements. Some bonuses may require you to meet certain criteria, such as making a minimum deposit or completing a specific number of trades. Be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. Start trading. Use your bonuses to start trading on Bitget. Whether it's reduced trading fees, bonus credits, or other promotional offers, make the most of these rewards to enhance your trading experience. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips for new users on Bitget. Explore the platform. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the Bitget platform. Check out the different trading options and tools available, such as Bitget Copy Trading and Bitget Futures Trading. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest news and updates from Bitget. This will help you stay ahead of market trends and make informed trading decisions. Join the community, engage with other Bitget users, and join online forums or social media groups. Sharing experiences and tips can be incredibly valuable, especially for beginners. Understand trading fees. Be aware of Bitget trading fees and how they can affect your trades. This will help you plan your trading strategy more effectively. And that's it for today's video on Bitget Referral Code and how to get the best bonuses for new users. We hope this Bitget platform guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to claim your exclusive sign-up rewards. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more crypto tutorials, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Thank you for watching, and happy trading on Bitget. Don't forget to check out the description below for links to sign up with Bitget using the referral code and other useful resources. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Thanks again for tuning in to Crypto Horizon, and we'll see you in the next video.